read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamualaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. Dear students, how are you? Today we are going to learn number 7. I will teach you its formation, how to write it, how to count it. So let's start. Start from the dot, make sleeping line, make slant line. It will make number 7. Which number is this? Number 7. 7 strawberries sit side by side. Okay, now you will do action like this. Line up and sit in a row like the strawberries. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 strawberries. Okay, now I am placing some erasers, pencils and sharpeners. You will count them. Let's start. How many erasers are there? How many sharpeners are there? And how many pencils are there? Let's start. 1, 2, 3. 3 erasers. 1, 2, 3. 3 sharpeners and 1 pencils. Let's count them all together. How many things are there on the table? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 7 things. 3 erasers, 3 sharpeners and 1 pencils. So today, which number we have done? We have done number 7. Let's start again. How to write it? Start from the dot, make sleeping line, make slant line. It will make number 7. Which number is this? Number 7. Okay, now I will call some students. They will come over here and we will count them. How many students? Boys, stand up. Come over here. Stand over here. Yes, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 boys. Okay, so today we have done number 7. I hope so. You like this lesson today. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.